Hi, I'm Day Day from FODMAPeveryday.com. Are you missing onion flavor in your cooking? Because we've got the answers for all your low FODMAP meals. Chives are free of detectable FODMAP, so you can use those, and you can use scallion greens and leek greens. So what do we mean by that? You're going to have to leave the bulb end aside, but the greens of the scallions and the tops, the greens of the leek, are fine for your cooking. So if you have an old recipe that you used to use that called for a cup of chopped onion, instead of that chopped onion, you can use a cup of chopped scallion or leek greens. Now another tip for you is you might have to hunt around at various supermarkets. I got these leeks at our local Whole Foods, but if I go to another supermarket down the street, they actually trim the leeks and you'll find them in the supermarket looking like that, and that's not going to help us FODMAPers at all. It helps other people because they don't have to pay for the poundage of the greens, but you want to find some place that sells the greens as well. Now the greens are fairly tough, so you're going to want to cut them really, really finely if you're sauteing them or what have you, but they have wonderful onion flavor and it will get that onion flavor back into your cooking. So we use so many leeks and scallions that we've come up with this. Did you know that you can regrow them? So after I've chopped off the leek greens or the scallion greens, I put them in glasses of water, and at our test kitchen, I have these constantly growing all along my windowsill. So it's a pretty economical way to keep your scallion greens and leek greens around, and so you'll never have to be without onion flavor in your low FODMAP cooking. We've got tons of recipes at FODMAPeveryday.com that show you how to get tons of flavor into your low FODMAP cooking.